Hi, welcome to the demo of Master Dashboard. It is a powerful solution designed by Perceptive Analytics to give leadership a complete, real-time view of business performance. This dashboard is built for a client in the engineering services industry. It is designed for the C-level executives. At the top, we have a compact KPI summary. This section highlights key metrics like profit or loss, total billings, expenses, AR balance, cash flows, and employee utilization. It gives a complete picture of the company's financial health. It brings everything a CXO needs to know into one place. Starting at the top left, we have revenue versus profit, giving us a quick snapshot of how much the company is earning compared to the actual profit retained. Next to that is variance, which highlights the difference between what has been billed and what has been spent. Moving down, we have accounts receivable section, which shows the outstanding payments categorized by how overdue they are. Beside that is the cash receipts chart, tracking the actual inflow of cash over time. Then we have the backlog section, showing us the value of committed work that is yet to be delivered. Next are the proposals, where we can see how many proposals are in progress, lost, or still pending. Finally, at the bottom, we have employee utilization and employee headcount, giving insights into team capacity and how efficiently resources are being used. Let's now look at the revenue versus profit trends. This chart shows monthly data from left to right, with the most recent months on the left side. The blue bars represent billed revenue, the grey bars represent expenses, and the brown bars indicate operational profit. We can clearly see that expenses have been rising and they are almost equal to or higher than billings. We notice that operational profit has been declining over the past year. This indicates rising operational cost or pricing issues that need immediate attention. Now let's look at the next section here. This chart compares billed revenue versus total spent month by month, with the most recent months on the left side. If the company spent more than it billed, then the bar turns red. If the total spend is lower than billings, then we see a green bar. As we can see here, the last 6 months are mostly red, meaning the company has consistently spent more than it has billed. This indicates underbilling and highlights a potential revenue leak. Now let's move on to the accounts receivable section. We can see a positive trend here. Accounts receivables are going down, which means the company is collecting payments more efficiently. The cash receipts chart further supports this trend. We can see that monthly cash inflow has been improving, which improves the company's liquidity position and ability to fund operations smoothly. Now let's talk about backlogs. We notice a spike in backlogs in August 2023. The increase in backlogs was caused by higher proposal wins in August 2023. 16 proposals were added that month. However, in November 2023, 7 proposals were lost. We have an interesting functionality here. Clicking on these proposals will take us to another tab where we can see project level details for these proposals. Let's click here and explore these lost proposals in more detail. We can see that all proposals were submitted by Lanita. This indicates a possible performance issue and gives us a reason to look deeper into what went wrong and where help is needed. Now let's look at employee utilization. This metric has improved in recent 3 months, indicating the workforce is being deployed more efficiently in recent months. Clicking on any month here will take us to another tab where we can see utilization details at an employee level. Let's click and select November 2023 to explore further. Here we get a list of all the employees along with other key details. We can also track headcount changes over time. It helps business leaders align staffing with project demands more efficiently. With this dashboard, stakeholders can improve strategic planning with real-time visibility, identify and resolve organizational issues proactively, optimize financial performance and resource allocation, monitor employee utilization and workforce efficiency. We are your data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.